Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, your sanctuary for deep and restful sleep. Tonight we are venturing into the heart of the haunted woods. But fear not. The only spirits here are those of tranquility and peace, guiding you gently into a state of profound slumber. Let the rustling leaves and distant whispers become a soothing lullaby, a natural symphony composed just for you. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of an ancient forest as twilight descends. The air is cool and crisp, carrying the scent of damp earth, pine needles, and the faint, sweet fragrance of night-blooming flowers. You take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with this pure, clean air. And as you exhale, you release all the tensions of the day. Let them drift away, like mist dissolving among the trees. With each step you take onto the soft, mossy path, you feel a sense of calm enveloping you. The path is illuminated by the gentle, silvery light of the moon, filtering through the dense canopy above. The great old trees stand like silent, wise guardians. Their branches, gnarled and ancient, reach towards the sky, creating a protective dome over you. You are safe here. You are sheltered. Listen closely. Can you hear the gentle murmur of a hidden stream nearby? The sound of water, endlessly flowing, is one of nature's most powerful tools for relaxation. It speaks of continuity, of letting go, of washing away all that troubles the mind. Let the soft gurgle of the water sync with your heartbeat, slowing it down, bringing a deep and steady rhythm to your entire being. Now bring your awareness to your body. Start with your toes. Feel a wave of relaxation begin to creep in, a warm and heavy sensation. It's as if the forest floor itself is cradling your feet, drawing out any lingering tightness. This comforting warmth slowly travels up into your ankles, your calves, and your knees, melting away any strain. Your legs feel wonderfully heavy, anchored to the peaceful earth. This wave of tranquility continues its journey upward, into your thighs and your hips, releasing the powerful muscles that have worked so hard all day. Feel them soften. Let them go. Your entire lower body is now steeped in relaxation, heavy and still. As you breathe, you might feel a gentle rise and fall in your abdomen. This is the rhythm of deep rest. The path ahead is soft underfoot, a carpet of fallen leaves and moss. You feel no need to rush. You are simply present in this moment, in this magical, haunted wood that holds no fear, only profound peace. Look around you. You might see the faint glow of foxfire on a fallen log, or the silent, graceful flight of an owl, its wings making no sound as it glides through the moonlit air. These are the quiet residents of the woods, the keepers of its nocturnal secrets, and they welcome you. Now let that wave of relaxation continue its journey into your lower back, then slowly up your spine, vertebra by vertebra. Imagine each muscle along your spine letting go, releasing its grip. Your shoulders, which often carry so much of our stress, begin to drop. Let them fall away from your ears. Feel the weight lift, as if you've set down a heavy burden you didn't even realize you were carrying. Your arms feel heavy and limp, from your shoulders all the way to your fingertips. Your hands rest gently at your sides, palms open, ready to receive the peace of this enchanted place. There is nothing for you to do right now, nothing to hold on to. Simply be. Simply rest. The woods will take care of everything else. The air you're breathing is becoming cooler, more refreshing. Each inhalation feels like a drink of pure, revitalizing energy, and each exhalation is a complete release, a sigh of contentment. Your mind, which may have been racing with thoughts, begins to slow down. Thoughts may still appear, but they are like distant clouds drifting lazily across the night sky. You don't need to engage with them. Just observe them as they pass by without judgment and gently return your focus to your breath. Let's focus on the sounds of the forest again. Beyond the babbling brook, you can now hear the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. It's not a harsh wind, but a soft whisper, as if the trees are sharing ancient stories with one another. And in the distance, the gentle chirping of crickets creates a steady, hypnotic rhythm. These sounds are the pulse of the night, a natural white noise that masks any distractions and lulls you deeper and deeper into a state of rest. Your neck muscles begin to soften. Your jaw, which you might have been clenching without realizing it, releases. Let your teeth part slightly. Your tongue rests comfortably in your mouth. The small muscles around your eyes relax. Your eyelids feel heavy, so very heavy. It feels good to let them close, to shut out the world and turn your attention inward, to this peaceful landscape you've created in your mind. Your forehead becomes smooth, free of any lines of worry. A feeling of profound stillness settles over your entire face, and then your entire head. You are now completely and utterly relaxed, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head. Your body is heavy, still, and deeply comfortable. Your mind is quiet, calm, and open. You have found a clearing in the heart of the haunted woods. In the center of this clearing is a bed of the softest moss you have ever seen, thick and velvety. It looks incredibly inviting. This is your bed for the night, prepared by the forest itself. You lie down upon it, and it cradles your body perfectly, supporting you in all the right places. You feel completely held, completely secure. Above you, through a break in the canopy, the night sky is a breathtaking tapestry of twinkling stars. The moon hangs like a gentle lantern, casting a soft, protective glow over you. You are not alone. You are part of this vast, beautiful universe, connected to the earth beneath you and the stars above. As you lie here on your bed of moss, you begin to drift. The line between waking and sleeping becomes blurred. The sounds of the forest, the stream, the leaves, the crickets, fade into a gentle hum. The images of the woods, the moon, the trees, the stars, begin to merge and swirl, becoming the fabric of your dreams. You are letting go now, surrendering to the pull of sleep. It feels natural, effortless. The haunted woods are no longer haunted by anything frightening. They are haunted by peace, by stillness, and by the promise of deep restorative sleep. Every shadow holds comfort, and every whisper is a lullaby. You are safe to let go completely. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper down into the soft, dark, welcoming embrace of sleep. There is nothing to fear. Only rest awaits you. Good night. Sleep well. Thank you for joining us on this journey tonight. If you found this helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more sleep lectures. We wish you a night filled with peaceful dreams and a morning full of energy. Until next time, rest deeply.